Hi guys. I just wanted to make a short video on plagiarism and my expectations in the class, just so it's all very clear. So plagiarism, the definition of it is the act of copying someone's work and claiming it as your own. So I do tend to get a lot of plagiarized things, and I'm going to go over some examples and what the consequences of those are. So on your first test, you have a question that says, why is Antarctica considered a desert? Here is one of the responses. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, most isolated continent on Earth, blah, 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 less precipitation, and we get all the way down to the end. Now, automatically, I knew this was copied from somewhere because it doesn't answer the question right off the bat, okay? I didn't ask about it's the coldest, windiest, most isolated. I wanted to know why it's considered a desert. Deserts aren't always isolated, okay? So first off, this has way too much information in it. Second off, it was copied from this page on Google. It's the exact same definition. So, and many other of the definitions I got, it's a desert because the annual precipitation is less than 51 millimeters. I know that that's copied. You don't need to put 51 millimeters. All you need to know is it has less rainfall. It's, it doesn't have a lot of precipitation. So this is a big example of a lot of what I see. And a lot of times when you're adding way more information that's needed, sometimes it even makes it so the question is wrong because you have looped yourself around to the point where you're not even getting to the information. Here's another website, so a second example. This is of a lab. I have a lot of people that like to copy these labs and turn them in. First off, all the labs are not the same anymore. They're actually in GoFormative, so that makes it really hard. Second, there was questions on this lab that were wrong. So if you're using this particular website, which I am not going to just release, please don't use it for your other teachers. These are not people that are experts in the field, and they're just posting assignments. And I can tell you that a lot of the answers are incorrect. So I get these answers many, many, many times. I know where they come from. I can search them just like you. Please use your own words. Use the guided notes. The guided notes will help you. The labs are now on GoFormative with lots of videos and lots of explanations. You can do it. I know you can. Okay, so consequences. There are consequences to your action. First one, email you, your learning coach, and your advisor. Okay, that's the first thing I do. You can redo the question or the assignment. No harm, no foul. You just know that, hey, this is unacceptable. Just redo it. Second one, I call your LC. Your advisor is also notified. Again, you get a 0 on the assignment with no makeup opportunity. Third one, you're referred to administration, which means the principals, is notified with all documentation of past work. So I will send all the notifications, all the work that you've turned in to the administration. They will determine the consequences. I don't know. It's not worth getting to that point. That's the key here. It's not worth it. So if you come to a help session or ask me or Mr. Ray for help, we will set up separate sessions. We will do help sessions. We will walk you through question by question. We are here for you. There's no reason to do this. So I just wanted to share that with you. And if you have any questions, please let me know. You can send me an email, text me, ask me in class. So thanks.